Hi! In front of me is the Doogee S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to find Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, Device and System Info. After that, click on Open. Now, thanks to this app, you can find out all your informations about Doogee's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!